Hey there, it's Sean Hall here, CEO of human performance company EnergX. I'm literally winging my way back down under right now, and I'm super excited to be joining you all next week at your offsite at such a great venue. Now, I've designed a really special session for you, really as a bit of an antidote to the ways we might be feeling right now. It's quite normal with everything that's been going on to maybe feel like you're not quite as sharp as you normally would be, that you maybe got a little brain fog going on. And so this session is really about two things: how to boost your energy, but also how to light up your brain, right, to get rid of those feelings. We're going to look at what the neuroscience and positive psychology, even sleep science, sort of tells us really clear directions to create the conditions for our best thinking, and then the behaviors that give us that sort of confidence that what we're putting forward are things that really represent what we're capable of. We're going to learn how to reduce your stress and worry less. You're going to learn a lot more about each other, about how to harness the diversity of strengths and superpowers, as I call them, in the team as well. You're going to learn how to be really confident that you can solve even the toughest problems and actually help each other do that too. And then something which is dear to my heart is we're going to learn how to slay energy vampires, the ones specifically that create brain fog. Now, to personalize this session to you, there's 10 minutes of pre-work that I just need you to do. And that's a positive psychology assessment that more than 15 million people around the world have done. It's going to help identify your unique set of superpowers or strengths, right? The things that we know when you switch them on, that they are going to help you boost your energy, they're going to help you be more creative, they're going to reduce stress, they're even going to make you feel more confident. All things that we could use a little more of right now. Now, none of your data from these assessments will be shared with Google. It's all just for you, and you can delete that at any time. Any questions on that at all, feel free to reach out to me directly, Sean at energx.com.au. Can't wait to see you soon.